What is regression? Here we discuss about the regression. The regression was first originated by Francis Galton in 1885. The regression is defined as the dependence of one variable upon another variable. And example of regression problem are yield of crop grown with different amounts of fertilizer, length of life of certain animals exposed to different amounts of radiation, hardness of plastic which are heated for different periods of time. In all the examples of variation in one measurement is studied for particular levels of the other variables selected by the experimenter. Hence, regression is a statistical tool with the help of which we are in a position to estimate the unknown values of one variable from known values of the other variable. Regression is concerned with obtaining a mathematical equations which describe the relationship between two variables, and the independent variable is the one that is chosen freely or occur naturally. The dependent variable occurs as a consequence of the value of the independent variable. It is normally used for estimation purposes. Simple linear regression means analysis of single regressor, one independent variable, explain the behavior of dependent variable. And in multiple regression, application with more than one regressor, more than one independent variable explain the behavior of dependent variable. Here are the regression models and types of regression models. What is regression coefficient? Positive linear relationship not linear, and negative linear relationship, and no relationship between regression models here. And what is regression coefficient? Regression models means regression line is the best straight line description of the plotted points and can use it to describe the association between the variables. If all the dots fall exactly on the line, that the line is zero and you have a perfect relationship between two variables. Common method used to determine the regression line is inspection method, semi-average method, least square method. And in least square method, the standard model of obtaining a regression line for any set of bivariate, we estimate y given a value of x when y on x regression line, where simple regression analysis means y at is equal to b0 plus b1x, where the difference between y actual and y predicted should be minimized, and error that would be made in using line for prediction should be as small as possible. And regression line is a line drawn on a graph paper showing the values of one variable associated with the corresponding mean values of the other variable. Regression lines study the average relationship between two variables. Only a straight line is used as a regression line in describing the shape of the average relationship between two variables. The straight line can be expressed by linear equation, which is y is equal to a plus bx. Therefore, the two series of x and y, there would be two regression lines. And in regression equation or algebraic expression of regression lines, there are two regression equations because there are two regression lines. There are regression equation x on y and regression equation y on x. And why we use regression coefficient and what is regression coefficient? Regression coefficient is the rate of change in a expected value of the dependent variable for a given observed variable. There are two regression coefficient. Regression coefficient x and y and regression coefficient y and x. Regression coefficient are denoted by bxy and byx. What is the regression coefficient of x and y? Regression coefficient of x and y gives the value by which x variable changes for a unit in the value of y variable. The coefficient of regression of x and y is given as bxy is equal to r into standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y, divided by standard deviation of x, where regression coefficient of y and x is equal to regression coefficient of y and x gives the value by which the y variable changes for a unit in the value of x variable. The coefficient of regression of y on x is given as byx is equal to r into standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y. And if the least square equation is given by y is equal to a plus bx, then b is equal to n summation xi yi minus summation xi summation yi divided by n summation xi square minus into summation xi whole square, where b is equal to summation yi divided by n minus b into summation xi divided by n, and also diagram of the least square method are given here. And what is least square method? The grades of a class of 9 students on a midterm reports x and the final examination y are as follows. X values are given and also y values are given here. X is 77, 50, 71, 72, 81, 94, 96, 99, 67, and y variable is 82, 66, 78, 32, 34, 47, 85, 99, 99, and 68. Estimate the linear regression line. B is equal to 0.777 and A is equal to 0.68. And theoretical model yi is equal to b naught plus b1 xi, where b naught and b1 are constant term and b naught is an intercept which shown in the graph, and b1 is a slope, where b1 is equal to a over b and yi is equal to b naught plus b1 xi, and xi is a predictor of yi. And regression coefficient. The regression coefficient is not a good indicator for the strength of the relationship. And secondly, two scatter plots with very different dispersion could produce the same regression line, which are shown in the graph. The regression coefficient is the regression line and tells you what the nature of the relationship between the variable is. And fourth one regression coefficient is how much change in the independent variables is associated with how much change in the dependent variables. And also regression coefficient give us a larger regression coefficient effects for more changes. And what is the forecasting of regressions? After developing the regression model, the coefficient A and B can be identified thereafter for a given value of x, and corresponding value of y can be predicted. A company will require estimate on future happenings in order to draw their business plans. When preparing budget, following estimates are required: number of units to be sold during the years, the total cost of producing of units,